Hi everyone, if you have been using the RedNOTE app and wondering on how to clear the history that you have searched in the RedNOTE app, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear history in the RedNOTE app. First of all, find the RedNOTE app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to clear history, tap onto the search button at the top right corner, just right here. Then, here you can find the option of your history just right here that you have just searched. Now to delete it, simply tap onto delete button right here, just like this, and tap onto clear all, just like this. Now tap onto confirm. And now you can see the search history has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can clear history in the RedNOTE app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.